What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Welcome to Late Night Leverage, good people. And yo, 6 o'clock, the markets came out with pure vengeance, y'all. Um, it got me all messed up, bro.
Bro, I want to get in so bad, bro.
Man, we got some things to talk about. Hold on, I look, bro. It's so bad. I only got my show notes up for us to talk about. Let me see. Trade limits, gold, CPI. What's this? Thursday through Friday trades, all that good stuff. Okay. All right. Welcome to Late Night Leverage, everybody. This is the show where we trade live. We talk about the market. We give our analysis, all that good stuff. I am one of your co-hosts, Zay, and tonight we got a good show. And this is I got my boy Quadree, and Dre will be joining us in a minute. Tonight we're going to talk about the trades that we took today, right? And then we'll talk about the CPI report. There was an update as far as gold limits go on Top Step. So I want to talk about that. And then we're going to talk about Thursday's trade, and we're going to talk a little bit about well, not even going to talk about a little bit. We're going to talk about what the hell going on right now, and of course, all that good stuff. The reason why I'm looking down is because I am in a trade, and I'm trying to see if this shit is going to hit. So,
Bro. Oh shit.
yeah, bro, trust. I see. I'm gonna go ahead and take that right quick. Probably gonna go to my TP after, but I'm cool. Yeah, good God Almighty, this drop is okay. All right. Let me. I gotta get right, bro. I need to lock my account so that I can focus. Listen, y'all. I already traded for the night. I ain't gonna say I'm done, but I won't be taking nothing tonight because I caught this and I caught a little bit of this some more already. Let me change. Let me change my background to gray so it's a little bit easier to see. Okay, so yes, yeah, I already been trading, bro. We came out the gate 6 o'clock with vengeance, and yeah, we dropping. Okay, so as far as today's trades, so today, man, if I do if I go replay, and I'm gonna go back to here. So yeah, so last night we rallied up, right? We got up to the new month opening gap, and then overnight we sold off. So by the time I woke up, I think I managed to get a little bit of this candle. Then I waited. We popped up at 7 o'clock. I caught a little bit of this sale. Then after that, I did not do nothing else until 11 o'clock, and I caught a little bit of short in here. And so I did end the day. Oh, actually, you know what? I tried to do one more short, and I ended up getting caught up. So I ended up I gave a little bit of profit back, but I still ended the day green, hit my goal. Actually, if I would have held, this candle would have got me out a little bit in profit, maybe even close to break even. But I was like, fuck it. So yeah, overall I had a good day, but for the most part, it was definitely a choppy day, a range day. Before I pass it over to Quadree, the biggest thing I want to say is that this looks like distribution. We had a big move up, they distributed, and now if I exit out of replay mode, they are now bringing price down, baby. The only thing is that I hope this move don't get too aggressive overnight because London is known for a reversion trade, and so if this thing gets a little too aggressive, I wouldn't be surprised, if they buy this up or bounce it up. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, that was my trades for today. Ended green on my funded. I got to do one more day of at least 150, and then I'm eligible for a payout. And so yeah, man, it's been a great week of trading, a great green week. How about you, brother? Uh,
Yeah.
Sharing your screen.
Today,
I can't see your screen if you are.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm out there in this tree right now.
Oh, you're in trade. Okay, all right. I'll let you focus. All
But I'm in
right,
this short. I'm in this short right now. But oh, I ain't even sharing my screen.
yeah, I was like, bro, you ain't even get your screen up yet.
No, I'm trading on my phone, so you know I'm
Oh,
recording.
okay.
But yeah,
Golly, bro, that 27 points, 20 points. We definitely fired short for ES2, bro. We are going out the gate.
bro. I see nothing on the left, bro.
Bro, once we take out the Trump pump candle, it could get real violent. Boy, we in that gap. This is the new week opening gap. Yeah, man, it's a lot of open air where we at. All right, let me pull up your screen. All right, so you got control of the screen.
All right, yeah. So this is how my day was. I took these shorts. I'm replay button.
Woo. Yeah.
I took this short here this morning. Breaker. Got got stopped out because my TP was the P12 mid. I mean P12 low. So I went heavy on that. Got smoked. But then my eval, I called this short on the 3 minute up here.
Mm-hmm.
Swipe up, drop down. Called that short all the way down to P12 mid. Called it a day. So my eval account I did really well in. My funded account I messed up. I'm in the short right now trying to get this bread back. If it hit,
Yeah.
I might have to stop. I'm up 550 right now, but
Let's go.
I'm sure. I don't know, man. 750.
Oh, there it go. I just that beat was the we just took out the Trump candle low, the Trump pump low. God damn, we cooking, bro. We are cooking. Jesus.
Break even trade.
Dre said, look, Dre in the chat. He said, let me know. Yeah, security in the building, Dre. Security entered the building as soon as the goddamn futures market opened, dog. That's what's up, bro. Good stuff, man.
I need a
And
clean,
you
bro.
definitely about to get your bread back if you in these shorts because we are
Yeah,
cooking, my
bro.
G.
I just need us. I'm break even right now.
But don't get too crazy because we are right
No, I'm
at
break even right now, bro. I'm break even. Listen.
so that's that. Okay, all right. So that was our trades for the day. I do want to show everybody, like, bro, this could get, bro. We back. First, let me pull up one more thing, and then I'm gonna talk about CPI and all that. So this is Tuesday's range. We traded in Tuesday's range all day today, and we just distributed. Now we are breaking down to we can straight slide to Sunday, which is 66.94.50. Remember that number, 66.94.50. We can hit that tonight. Um, yeah, I know we had a put wall, Jay, but the way this shit's selling, that put wall might get smoked. It might get cooked, boy. We'll see though. But yeah, we definitely hit we could keep sliding. We done took out the Trump candle, so let's see what happens. So that's that. I wanted to show that real quick. Right there. Okay, so as far as CPI goes, CPI did come in line, right? It came in line. All the numbers was in line, so it wasn't a good thing or it wasn't a bad thing either. However, I was listening to CNBC in the morning when they was talking about the actual CPI report, and the guy was saying how if you look at some of the nuances, knowing that we have this energy spike, the next couple of readings is likely to be higher, and so yeah, not good, right? You really, the market really needed a downside surprise. So that way, if you're thinking about, okay, the months to come, can it sustain this energy bump? But it didn't get it. And yeah, I agree with you, Jay. It could definitely retrace up a little bit, but we selling, bro. Sell the rip. Any little pop, that's just an opportunity to eventually reload up. So that was CPI. The other thing, real quick, that I wanted to get into was oil, right? And so when it comes to oil, now that things have kind of calmed down a little bit, I really went to like look at the chart to see what was what. And one of the things that I came to see was this 9205. Now we done already got above it already, but if you follow me on Twitter, before we even futures market open, I was like, yo, a retest of this 92 level is going to be key. Now, if we hold above this 92, I think this thing's going back to 100. If it rejects 92, then we come back down to 80. And the way oil acting, if you look at it right now, out the gate, it's up 6%. Right? It's up 6% out the gate. So oil could actually be headed back up towards 100. And if it does, that's going to be one of the things that's going to keep pressure on the market. So you got a rising dollar, you got a rise in yields, you got a rise in oil, you got a VIX that's elevated. All of that that's a no bueno environment. So I would tell anybody that watches oil or CL futures, mark that 92 level. That level is going to be really, really key, because if you zoom out and look at a monthly, there's a lot of monthly structure at this 92, especially going back to 2022. So if it can hold above that, we can see oil run back up to 100. No lie. So that's oil. We talked about CPI, oil. Oh, and then the last thing, Quadree, I wanted to talk about is I don't know if the platforms you use have sent out the notification yet.
Yeah.
However, about gold,
yeah,
they eased the limits back. So now all the volatility the volatility left gold went to oil. So they said, okay, now y'all can get more contracts of gold. But they limit oil. So you can't do a lot of contracts on oil because of the volatility. So yeah, if you use prop firms, they have they've kind of lifted some of their restrictions on gold. Now they still got restrictions on silver, platinum, and like I said, oil, but they have removed the restrictions on gold. So therefore, I do think that watch gold. Now that traders can start to get more contracts, some of that volatility might come back. And that's pretty much all the updates, bro. That's pretty much all the updates right there. With that being said, we'll watch how this market trade. We got 10 minutes till 8 o'clock. Do we got any news tonight, bro? Yep, here comes that retrace back up. I'm cool with that though. You know what, Jay? I'm cool with this retrace because I don't want the sellers to goddamn use all their momentum out the gate. We already down almost damn near 1%, bro. We need to ease up a little bit. Ease up a little bit, sellers. Yeesh. Goddamn. But nah, what you how you doing, bro? I got your screen up. All right, did you take profit on that trade?
Yeah, I'm in longs right now.
You know, okay, you went long. Yeah, that was good stuff. Good stuff. So yeah, bro. Gonna be tomorrow's, yeah, yes, man. I do not want sellers to blow their load early. God, Lee. Good reach, like let her like just relax a little bit. God damn. Y'all can't, they came out the gate swinging. Yeah, this 4-hour candle is it's a beast, boy. Let's see. What the rest of the indices look like? Look at that. You got the NQ down 167 points. Well, if you include the gap, the after hour selling is down 200 points. The YM, man, the YM is looking real weak. So is the Russell down 1.62% already. Oh my god, I'm so mad, bro. I was really thinking about swinging some SPX puts, and now I am. Oh my god, I should have did it, bro. We already had 67.20. We hit 67.10. God dang.
Yeah.
Oh my god, we hit 60.
Yeah, there's no news though. There's no news.
Yeah, no news. Uh, Larry said, I'm not even home, so I'm sure my trail just got hit. Probably so, Larry. But I mean, you got over 100 points, so you good.
We good for sure.
Yeah, man. Who else we got in the chat? Matter of fact, who we got in the chat? Who we got in the building? We got Shauna in the building. She said security, security. She was here early. We got Jay in the building. What's good, Jay? Larry. He said got short when the market opened. I did too. I should have held. I was thinking scalping. If I'd have just held, oh my God, was waiting for the drop all. Well, yes, we was waiting for that goddamn drop all day. We got Brooke in the building. Who else? We got Ferrari 321 is in the building. Was good. Yep. And then I think Dre was in the chat, so I'm pretty sure he's probably waiting for his wifey to get home, and then he'll be joining us on the stage. Um, yeah. So that's everybody I see in the chat. Um, bruh, tomorrow. Boy, oh boy. Bro, SPY is already down to 671.14 after. You got the Dow at 470. You got the Qs at 602. Oil is doing the dog thing. You got the dollar hit a nice gap up. Okay. And then yeah, you got yields pushing up. Let's see, what do these look like? Ooh, that's no good. That's no good. So I do want to. We got who? Oh, we got Lou. We got Louie in the building. What's good, fam? Um. So I know Quadree's in the trade, but I do want to show this real quick, and then I'll go back to his trade, as well as it's almost 8 o'clock. So I'm trying to wait till 8 o'clock, and then I'll see if I get another setup. Um. Momentum. Right? So the percentage stocks above certain moving averages. We are not we're getting close to extremes, right? So I do think if we can get us a nice flush, say down to 6,500 or so, and if these moving averages align to where we kind of get to below the like on the 20-day moving average, if we get below 20, right? If the 50-day gets to say, under 30 to 20, if this 200-day goes below 50, if those start to line up and we get down to say 6,500, I think we can see like a technical bounce. I was talking, or Jay told me on Twitter, I put my analysis out there, and then he mentioned, and you said this too, Quadree, that on Vixpiration, which is next Wednesday, there's a nice put wall at 64.50. So once we get down to that area, I think we could probably see some buyers step in and try to buy it up, or at least offer support. Not saying like it's going to be a big bounce or anything like that, but yeah, if my indicators line up, I'll hop in some like short term calls or something like that just to play the bounce. Um, but we are breaking out of this range, and it does seem like we are breaking out to the downside. So the buy the dip crew, y'all folks out there better be very careful. Be very careful because the rallies are being sold. The rallies are being sold. What's that level? 6, 7, 13. Damn, we hit this too, and we bounced perfect. We hit this overnight. All right, let me go back to this screen. All right, so Quadri, you in oh, my boy's 40 kind. Oh, is this the one?
Yeah, it's the one.
My boy's like, I'm going ham.
No, I'm in the real one on my phone. My entry was 24. I'm already break even.
Okay.
I'm up like 800, but
let's go.
So I'm looking for a push up at 8 o'clock. If it give it to me. and
Yeah,
then just to
I think
drop.
we can get it. I think we can get it. Let me see. I'm looking at the. Yeah, I think we can get. It'd be. I think we could get a nice little push somewhere to like 67.31, even up to like 67.35, 75. I think that is, or 25, 35, 25, somewhere up in there. I think we can see a nice little push. All right, I'm about to see if I can. I need to go to the. I need to look at the 15-minute, bruh. Mm, fuck. Freak, 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 freak. Uh, I'm trying to do the same thing you doing. I'm trying to trade on my phone. Shoot. That was the push I wanted to. Damn. Fucking missed it.
We got 1 minute, a little over 1 minute for 8 o'clock.
Yeah. Mm. Yeah, tomorrow about to be a volatile day, bruh. So we fire short. I don't think we gonna go like a short false tonight on ES.
Yeah,
That range is crazy, son.
I don't know we're gonna do that now.
I think we can. Let me see. I think we can. I don't even know. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to see how this go. Do we got any news tonight or no?
No,
No.
nope.
Yeah. Yep. Good stuff. I took a move based off the put wall retracement 10-minute gain. Oh yeah, yeah. No, you caught it right at that low, right? Right when I said we was at that low, at that 100%. I was like, be careful. Or when you said be careful, that was smart. So it's 8 o'clock. Let's see what we can get here. See if we can get a little trade. Ooh, that's just that momentum got me. I ain't going front, bro. That momentum kind of crazy. Cause I think I'm gonna just do. I'm gonna do require. I'm gonna have to do this like Quadree did. I'm gonna have to go to the micros, bro.
Hell yeah.
Nah, J is in the minis, boy.
Yeah, very different.
Whew. Hold up, bro. I got to wait a second here. I got to wait a second. It's just so heavy, bro. Yeah, I need these. I need this 15-minute. Let's see what the '05 box break look. Wait for this '05 box.
Oof. I'm a 5 minute.
Hmm.
I got broke even.
Damn, this shit is moving, boy. Dog, the Dow is down 400 points already. Good gosh. Let's see, bro. Man.
Bro.
Hmm.
Bro, like part of you would be like, yo,
All right, there we go. Bouncing back up a little bit. I'm looking at the 4 hour. It looks like the 26 even looks like that might be a little good spot.
I don't like where we at.
So I'm saying, then we had so much momentum, man. Like that little bounce might have been all of that. Might be it. We're gonna see though. I think we can retrace a little bit. But it ain't looking good, bruh. There you go. Come on. I think it's got to stay above this 26. Got to get above this 26. Can't get above 26. We ain't talking about nothing, yo. Yeah. Where we at? Yeah, I don't know, man. It's gonna be hard to find something, bro. And then I don't want to fight I don't want to fight the model either because we fire short and we fire short with a hell of a momentum.
Oh yeah.
Remember what I said? It's gonna be one of the joints where it's like you just gotta wait for a new hour, get that little pop, and then go back short. Yep. Good God, boy, they is cooking. That 21, 21 Savage. Mm. Whew. Bruh. This the one you say you don't care about this account, right?
That's my funded.
No, not this one.
This is a paper trade.
It's the okay. Yeah, bro. We coming. It's we going back to Sunday range, bro. I think this wick was the bounce. We got a new hour. We liable to sell down this entire 4 hour. Look at this 4 hour candle, bro. Or let me. I'm not showing my screen. Let me share my screen. This does not look good, bro.
Yeah.
This looks bad. So this first of all, let me show the folks this 1 hour candle right here, or these hourly candles, bro. Once we rejected this 60% in Tuesday, look, I done did a good amount of back testing. We liable to slide all the way back down to this Tuesday range, was the 66.94. And then when I think about this new week opening gap, the fact that there's no real support under this candle, so that's that. Then I look at the 4 hour, and if we look at this 4 hour, and then I turn this off, like, bruh, this 4 hour can sell down all night. I think Larry said it, bruh. We could sell down all night. Um, yeah, price going for that 12.5% off highs by end of the week or leading in the next week. Had some orders, it hit on the retrace back up. Yeah, and that's it, bro. You said it was going to be a small little bounce. It was a retrace. That's all it was. We now in this new week opening gap, bro. We finna come down. Oh, woof, gosh, we might finally get like a 2 or 3% day.
Unless they buy the ship in the morning.
Yeah, that's the only thing, right? I got London will shock your ass. And now that shout out to Bowie in the pack. He said this, it has always stuck with me. London is known for the reversion trade. So that's why I'm like, I wanted to sell down like it's selling down, but at the same time, it gotta slow up just a little bit. Because if not, London traders will come in and buy that shit up. Which is fine though, because then what happens is New York comes right in and then they re-drop it back down. But I think this oil is putting pressure on the market back up to 94. I think it was some headlines that came out, like a few tankers was hit. Um, but yeah, whew, this the sale I wanted to see today. Oh man, yo, they played all day in this fucking Sunday range or this Tuesday range, bro. This is why I almost thought about swing trading um some goddamn SPX puts, because I was like, bro, the way they just played with the Tuesday range, we liable to get a crazy gap down, and you know what I'm saying? I am in some puts, but damn, them SPXs would have hit. Baby. Um, okay. Dre texted us. Let me see what he said. Uh, okay. Yeah, he good. He gonna be able to make it. Let's see. Louis said we never went down that much since war started. It's time to see it drop. Man, yeah, bro. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. We at what, eight? Whew. Also, where is I think Jay is on. Actually, I know who he's on. Where? No, this not the SPX he put me on. He put me on this joint over here. Yeah, the spread X. I like this one because I do like this one, but yeah, bro, this joint right here, we lose this 617, this 60. I mean, this 6717. I mean, it's nothing to stop us. First of all, Jay, like this, what I want to show folks. It's a couple of things we got to point out here, right? And that is that's this low from December. If we break that, then I think you could, it could slide to 67.76, which is the open on the Monday. The real, not only is this the open on Monday, but look where we sitting. So this was the big sell-off candle where we opened, which is funny. We opened at 66.73, which is pretty close to this Monday. We went all the way up to the 67.70, and then we ended up reversing and selling back down to 67.34. Over here, this was the other candle where we opened at about 67.34 and we sold all the way down to about 65.64. So these are big, those were big sales right here. We literally are sitting right on top of these candles. So we literally could slip and slide. You got a gap here from back in the November rally. So there, we look, sellers have control.
Yes, they do.
If they, whatever they feel like doing, they got multiple spots they could pick to bring this market down to. They could bring it to this gap. They could freaking bring it all the way down to these candles. They could bring it down to this Monday open. They could take out this low. They could do whatever they want to do because they definitely got control of the market right now. And I don't know why I had a thing there, so I'm gonna just go ahead and remove that. And what would be a 2% day, bro? 2% day from where we close on ES. 2% would bring us down to 66.35. And then if we had, let's say, a 2.5%, or what would, oh, look at that. 2% would get you to these lows, which would be 65.83. 2% day, bro.
Yes, sir. I want.
And then guess what happens? They're gonna pop it up on Friday because everybody's gonna get super bearish.
And they're gonna gas everybody.
PCE and all that shit. They're gonna pop it up, and then we're gonna have that. It's gonna be a nasty wick to the top. And then it's gonna be like a little small wick on the bottom, and then the body is probably going. I mean, with the weekly, like this weekly candle,
a little doji.
Crazy. Yeah, exactly. See, it's already a doji. But this wick up here, that's nasty work, bro. Ooh, excuse me.
I need this thing there.
Yeah, these.
Fly, bro.
You said what?
I need to make a move or something, bro.
What you mean? You can trade gold. it's you can get enough contracts now. How do I is that? How you say that name, bro? How would you say that?
Seems like cyanide. Cyan.
That's what I thought. I was like, bro, I don't want to say this wrong, but I don't think it's. It might be something else, but I'm just saying. Yeah, it looked like cyanide. That's what I thought it was. But she said, Zay, the way you break this market down, man, I love it. You guys are gurus. Nah, man, I ain't no guru. I'm a furu, baby.
Yeah, we furus up here, man. Don't believe anything.
I'm a furu.
Don't believe anything you see.
Jay said got some 4-hour order below. It eventually should hit tonight. You mean like to the downside, Jay? God damn, boy. 67.11. We already good. God, yo, I got to clean my chart up. I got some level. Why do I even have these levels here? I need to get rid of this. I don't even know why I put that there. Whew, boy, oh boy. Let me see something too. Here's my weekly fib. Weekly fib. Okay, so check this out too, y'all. Right here is my weekly fib levels. Let me make this fib a little bit darker, just so y'all can see these numbers a little bit. Now this is how I correlate US 500 to the SPX. And shout out to Jay because you can use the SPX spread too. But they pretty much they kind of like dollar for dollar with the SPX. So what I'm seeing is right now US 500 is at 67.17, right? But if I go look at SPX and I do my weekly fib as far as retracement, the low from last week was 67.10. So I know we can pretty much get there. As well as this low here is 67.20, which is the December low, right? So if I go to a monthly, December high, December low, I'm using these as kind of just like key indicators to kind of help me gauge how we're doing so far in 2026. If I go down to this weekly though, right? Once we get to 67.10, if the market breaks that, that's what this is another reason why I kind of don't want us to sell too much overnight because I want us to leave some of this open for the cash session. But if we gap down to 67.10 and can't really hold it, then the next level is for us to come down to 66.58, and then the next level is 65.92. So if we're talking about a 2% day, I go back to the US 500 and then I say, okay, based on where we closed, and I draw down 2%, that would put us at 66.28. Then I go back to see how does that align with the fibs. Well, we got a 1.2 extension at 66.58. I just said a 2% day would get us down to 66.28, as well as how about this? Monday's cash session. Oh, god damn. Monday's cash session low is 66.36. So if we did a 2% day and we got the 66.28 or whatever the hell that number was I just said, it would take out Monday low and would be perfect. We got Dre in the building.
Dre.
What's good, you guys? You.
Did you sell the rip, Dre?
Nah.
Did you sell the rip, Dre? Hold up. I gotta remove him a second. Hold on, I gotta add him back. I didn't see him come on. All right, there.
Y'all can hear me?
Yeah, we can.
There you go, Dre. There you go.
Yo. What's good, you guys?
Now we got you. Yep, we got you, brother.
No, we
I
got you.
missed.
What up, bro?
I
Did you
missed
sell the rip?
Nah, I missed it. I was in the park with the girls.
You didn't get none of that?
Nah.
Oh, okay. Well, if you was on
Yeah.
daddy duty, it's all good. It happened
Yeah,
like that,
bro.
bro.
Went to the park.
But
yeah, this shit going crazy,
went to
bro.
the park and the market went to the park too.
Yeah. God. What a
Hold
shit,
on,
man.
let's put your show. So yeah, catch us up, man. How was your trade today, bro? How was tell the people about your trades?
Oof, today was.
You already
I
won.
mean, today was rains day. You know me.
Your favorite days.
Yeah, we did some damage today. Actually, I caught a lot of trades today. I traded like crazy. I was short, long, short, long. But my best trade was after when we hit New York Tuesday low range. Let me see. Right here, I kept selling the streams. So what do I mean by selling the stream and buying the stream? Let me delete. I don't need that no more. So every time we came here, close this this box right here, this Tuesday box, I was buying it up. So we came here, bought it up right here. That was well, I missed the magic hour. So I came here, my 8:30 CPI. I bought it up. Then after in the afternoon, I saw this rip. I saw this right here. Saw this short. I remember now. Got this short, and then I got back long. I got stopped out in profit there, and then it pulled back up. And then when we came in year two, we picked below, couldn't close below. I said, well, time to buy again because we were going back to 930. So I caught this move right here, and then so I bought it up, sold it down, and bought it back in right here. Yeah, and that was it. So it was like waiting on whatever Trump was gonna say this afternoon,
Mhm.
which couldn't leave for some reason. We couldn't leave this Tuesday range. Now we did, and I missed it, but it's okay. That happens. And now we hit that news candle from Trump. The work is over right here. Yeah, right.
Mhm. You said,
Um,
"Oh, the war is over." Yeah, right.
yeah, yeah. We in this 1500 candle that Trump said the work was gonna be over.
Yeah, the Trump pump. Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, we
now
still
we
got we still got more room to go when it comes to the NQ. The ES, we done took it out.
you completely on yes? Wow.
We already got it out.
We
I
have
think that the Dow did too. The Dow
mm,
way below it. The RTY took out the Trump pump candle. The only one left is the NQ.
yeah. Oh, we halfway right now. So yes, sir.
Yeah, NQ is the only one. That's the one that gotta catch up.
Gotta catch up, yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, other than that, you cause the trade, y'all cut it. I hope y'all did. Shit.
No,
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
I didn't.
Oh, you didn't?
I was at the park too, taking a walk.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
My boy. Yeah, bro. Now that it's nice outside, this girl wanna go out, bro. You know how it is. Shit. What do I see right now? I don't know. I see we in the NFP mid right now. So
Mm-hmm.
this bounce was NFP bounce. I know Jay was talking about gamma, right? But for me, it was NFP mid bounce right here. Came down to the T right here, boom. But I don't think it's gonna hold though. I don't know. I don't think so. Yeah, I see more downside. Yep. My boy lit.
No, we laugh. We in the chat. That's all.
Oh, you what's going on? Security in the chat?
in the Mike said, "I'm listen, bro. I'm dead serious, bro. I meant exactly that. I do not want the market to blow the load too fast." So in our
Yeah.
chat, he's like, "Pause." I'm
Oh,
like,
see,
I know, nigga. I'm not pausing that one. I mean that. Don't be no minute man tonight. Goddamn it. We need y'all to save your energy, bro. We got a long day tomorrow.
Mm. Yeah. You're just getting started right now. So
Yeah,
leave me
I
some.
need the sellers to make sure they got enough punching power for the mob, bro.
Mm-hmm. For sure.
And so
Yeah.
then in the
Yeah.
chat, I put the if y'all ever seen American Pie, yo, that movie was fucking funny, bro. If y'all ever seen American Pie, dude about to get some, he about to get some cheeks. And Shorty just walk over to him, and my man be like, "Oh," I'm like, "Yo, she didn't touch on me." Yo, American Pie is a funny ass movie, yo. So I
Yeah,
put
bro.
that GIF. Yeah, he was weak.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, he said, "Get a market a honey pack."
it's mine.
Yeah. Yo, yo, you funny as hell, child. Get that nigga. Hey, what's them shits they sell at in the convenience store? The
Rhino
rhino
pill.
pill.
Um,
Oh man. Oh man, that's too funny, bro. But nah, they back on track. They definitely at it early, bro. This 4 hour candle is at least on the ES, bro. This shit is already 50 points, bro.
Yeah.
What's the NQ is 187 points. The YM dog, the Dow is 418 points.
Damn.
Yeah. And then RTY is 43 points. RTY is down 1.7%, bro.
Oh damn. No
Yeah.
cuts.
Yeah. And if you think about it too, I'm gonna show you this, Dre. We this is so here, look at this. Check this out, bro. RTY this is that new week opening gap. Is back. The YM new week opening gap, we back.
Mm-hmm.
ES is working on it. Is working on it. But what we need is your boo, the NQ.
This shit
What's the
down
NQ?
200%. Yeah.
217 points already. Yeah.
It's about to get ugly, bro.
Yeah, man. And if Price is telling us something, Trump about to say something that's gonna take tech down. He gonna come out with a new restriction or a fucking tariff, or he gonna do something.
Yeah. Tough. Damn, man. I'm missing my short. Fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Jesus. Took previous day low already. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Did we?
Man, look at.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right
It's looking. Yeah, it's looking. The NQ took previous day low.
Yeah.
Okay.
Previous day low. Yeah.
I see where the NQ at too. It's in that range. Once it break this little, it got hella pivots here. Woo! This don't look good. Oh shit! I ain't mean to take Dre off. Look, check this out, Dre. This your NQ on a daily line chart, sitting right on pivot. Boy, when that thing swipe all this liquidity right here, it break under that 24,750.
Good night.
It's going. Yeah. Steph Curry. Night.
Yeah. Dollar pushing, right?
Yeah. So you got it's getting really close to 100. Here's what it looks like on a weekly. It needs to really get through this 99.57, but I mean, yeah. It can really push and make some moves. I think what's really doing it tonight is look at the yield. So you do the yields and then oil. Like oil is back up to 92. And I don't know. I think you might have missed it, Dre. But I was looking at oil, bro. And when you put oil on a monthly, bro, this 92.05 is like a key structural level, right? Like area. So if we stay above 92, I think it goes back to 100.
Yep. Well, I have a. What's that level you talk? You said a level last week. I got it right here. 76.48. We touch it. Perfect.
And bounce.
So remember, you said that was the high of this high from October 23rd. You said So I marked it that day. I don't know. You
Yep.
like that price? I don't know why. It's what I can't
Hold on, let me
remember
see.
why.
I got you. What was the one?
Right here, seven
Oh,
six
you said
forty eight.
70. You said 76.48. Oh, that's
Yeah,
because it go to a monthly. Put on a monthly. You could now you see why.
yeah.
It's
Okay.
the high of that before before those three candles went down.
Yeah.
So that's the reason
So
why
I
I like
put it. I put it there,
it. Uh-huh.
and then we came up after we got up. Whoop,
Yep.
right there, perfect. Like you cannot make that up and bounce.
Yeah. Hit that shit to the
That was
T.
and bounce.
Yep.
Yeah. Hmm.
Nice.
Yeah.
Damn, we don't. So we hit 76. Well, you know what the what's the rules that we say is you buy at 65, sell at 80.
Yeah.
You buy that 70 to take it to 90.
290. Yeah.
So it
We
hit
are 90.
76. It went right back to 90.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
After that, I don't know. I don't know what they say after that. I guess it's
It would range, but if we got risks, then that shit gonna go crazy.
yeah.
Hmm.
Do we really think oil can continue this run?
Mm.
Very, very doable.
You think so,
I
Quadree? I
mean,
mean, I know we talk about the commodity cycle and how gold did and silver did. I guess I'm a little hesitant because I know oil is a little bit more manipulative than those, but then again, shit, gold and silver is just as manipulated as oil is. But I'm
hmm,
like, damn, do we like is oil really gonna go to? Well, it already hit 120, so shit, is it
yeah,
really, is it really gonna push, that 135, 150 a barrel, like some people say? Look at that. Louis just said it. He said oil to 150. Bro,
Remember, I looked at them contracts earlier, bro. It was a lot. It was just expensive as hell.
oh yeah, that's true. That's
Mm,
true.
that's it. That stuff's sitting there for real.
That's for, let me go look at USO because I know you was looking at with USO. You said you had to go all the way to, well, yeah, 170 is, I can see that going there. I think you said 150.
Yep.
It's yeah, it done already made a high of 124.
mm,
Golly. 172. Yeah, I guess anything is possible. I ain't gonna discount it, but damn, I was just like, damn, if they send oil to 150, boy, it's gonna be talk about a hot summer.
yeah. About to get spooky.
We bouncing. Look like we might be able to get back up. Looks like we definitely are bouncing off of the
NFP.
the low. I'm looking at the on the ES the weekly MFE. We bouncing off that 100% level.
Hmm. Yeah. Nice bounce. Yeah.
Mhm.
I hope they do, so we can sell it later. But
Right, that's what I want too. I see
mhm.
somebody say $200. I said, "Damn, y'all out of pocket on oil." Yeah, they going crazy with these price targets, bruh.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know about all that. I got yeah. This was my box. Yeah, so here like
Let me see.
between 100 right here. This is the target. So this is a
Yeah,
monthly.
yep,
Yeah, 12 month. Yeah, 12 month.
yep.
And we
Oh,
came.
that's a fair 12-month fair value gap.
Yeah, we came straight shot up there.
Mm-hmm.
So that box go from 110 to 130,
Mm-hmm.
133 to be
Mm-hmm.
exact, and we got close to 120. So I'm happy with that. That was my
Mm-hmm.
target. Anything else is bonus.
Yep.
So I'm playing it safe. Like I'm not trading it on
Yeah.
futures, but that was what I wanted to see, and
Yep.
yeah.
Yep.
Hmm.
Yep. Agreed.
Yes.
Hmm.
So.
Agreed. 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 And yeah, Jay, we getting the bounce, bruh. Looks like it just had to go down and retest that 67.15 level again. As far as SPX go or US 500, that 67.10. Yep, that 67.10. We bouncing from that, um,
Hmm.
which is good, right? That's good. Go ahead and like Dre said, just bounce it up. Don't go too crazy, but just bounce
Hmm.
it up enough to where it's a good spot to sell from, and then we can sell it back down and then do some more damage.
Facts.
Yeah, Louis. So he said they back to buying gold. Yes. And it's funny because as soon as they back to buying gold, all of the prop firms said, hey, no more restrictions on gold. They know exactly what they doing, bro.
Yes, they do.
Yo, this long back green too.
A word?
Yeah.
It didn't stop you out?
Oh no, this is paper. I'm up.
Oh.
I like negative 200 on my funded because I'm waiting to see. I don't like where we at, bro. We
Oh wow.
swiped
Oh
it.
yeah, this still the same one, the 40 contracts. Yep. That shit went right back there.
40 contract. Whoa. 40 contract, was it? Oh, what you MS? Okay, I'm about to.
I'm probably gonna let you run it up like that way.
Yeah. JB putting 20 down. That nigga crazy.
Nice pop.
Yeah.
you gotta do 33 so we know it's real.
Yeah, 33 contracts, 100 ticks.
Yeah. Yeah.
gotta do you gotta do 33 so we know it's real, bro.
Where? Oh man. Yeah, damn, I miss the action, man.
US
Fuck.
trade reps. Let's see what's popping, man.
I do not like this. This is BS, boy.
Mm. Mm.
Huh.
Mm.
Damn. Atlassian cut 10% of workforce. CEO cites AI push for layoffs. It just came out
Mhm.
5 minutes ago. That's all BS though, bro. They keep blaming. They using AI. Oh shucks, did we get another one? We got
What?
another one. Okay. Wall Street banking giant Morgan Stanley has limited redemptions at its New Haven private income fund after investors sought to withdraw almost 11% of shares outstanding. This is another firm. Yo, this private credit shit is about to get. Quadree. I know you was having that conversation, and we was like, "What's it gonna be?" I think
Mhm.
that's gonna be the. I think that's gonna be the thing that break the camel back, bro. I know it's out there now, but we done seen BlackRock, Blackstone. Now you got Morgan Stanley. Whew, no wonder the banks is getting hit the way they getting hit.
Hell yeah.
Ooh. Oh, you can tell she got there going to pop the meniscus. I mean, Achilles tendon.
Who?
Yeesh. It's a clip I'm looking at on Twitter. Shorty was like basically working out, doing jumps,
Oh,
and you just goddamn, you can see that shit reverberate up her calf muscle.
mm, damn.
Yeah, bro. I don't want no parts of that.
No way. um, what level is weekly 50 on ES? Zay, what's the
Say it
level
again.
on the what's the level on the weekly 50?
For the ES
Or yeah, 65?
or SPX.
Yeah,
No,
SPS.
I got you. Give me 1 second. Yeah. So if you're talking about SPX, it's 6,500. For the
Mm,
ES, it's 6,615.
okay. Mm,
But yeah, for the SPX, it's sitting at roughly the weekly 50 is sitting at roughly 6513.
yeah. Yeah, that level is in play.
100%.
I'm telling you, bro, I think what was happening was after Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, or today, Tuesday and today, Wednesday, the market did distribution right at the week. So, all right, let me show you my screen, Dre. I'm gonna show you exactly what's been happening, bro.
Mhm.
And I'm gonna show you also with the MAE too, because it looks perfect. All right, so this is the weekly right here.
Mm,
So this is the weekly 50. You can see it's sitting at it's it's sitting at 6507, right?
mhm.
Now we know we broke the 20, we pop back up to retest it. If we reject this, most of the time it comes down to the 50, right?
Yep.
Now, what's been happening this week is we gap down aggressively and then we push back up. So this gap
Mm,
down and push back up, all of this action here,
mm,
I'm gonna highlight all of this. All of this was distribution at the 20. If I go to the
mhm,
weekly, like this is that box right here. So we did all this distribution,
mhm.
making the wick, and then now that that's getting rejected, it's now you got a straight shot to come straight to 6,500.
Yeah.
All we got to do is, as long as we get a weekly close on the 6720, it's over. 6,500 is coming fast. And then shout out to Jay and Quadree. They both told me next Wednesday
Mm.
they are stacking hella gamma at 6450.
Yeah, sheesh. Hey, there you go. Confluence.
Right.
Confluence.
Yeah.
Mm.
So it's lining up.
Yeah.
Lining up. And we all know what next Wednesday is, right? Everybody.
FOMC.
FOMC.
Mhm.
No rate cut.
Of course not. And
That
then
was
he gonna, not only is he gonna say no rate cut, he gonna say because of the war and energy, we ain't even gonna be able to cut in June or July. Y'all motherfuckers gonna have to wait till September.
Mm. Hey. Qual wishing is when after.
Yep, that following Friday.
Okay, oh God. Yeah, man.
Yeah, ain't looking too good, bruh.
Mm-mm. Looking for this.
Quadri, how that trade doing? Let's take a look, bro. You green? Yeah, it's still fighting, bro. It's still fighting.
yes, it is.
And then Dre, you said what you looking for, brother? What you got? You got your
I, I just, I'm just here watching. I don't. I miss a short, so I'm just.
How's your
Just wait.
baseball team doing? I know you've been watching the WBC.
We winning right now 2-0.
Who y'all playing?
Venezuela.
Ain't both y'all undefeated?
2-1 round. Huh?
Ain't both y'all
Yes, we are.
undefeated?
Yeah, we are. Yep.
Lit.
But the game's not being
Televised.
not
Yo,
watch.
is Japan in this WBC? Because I feel like the
Yeah.
only they are.
Hell yeah.
Okay. Because I
They
was saying I feel
coming
like
now this
I
weekend. They
only
coming
see
back.
I only be seeing Team USA or else one of the Latin countries, whether it's Dominican Republic, Venezuela.
Yeah, cause they play like crazy hours. So they
Uh-huh.
be playing like at midnight here or 2 in the morning.
Yeah.
So now they traveling here Friday. They come for second round. They come here. So
Got it.
you're gonna see them now for sure.
Got it.
But whoever wins between Venezuela and us tonight, play them. So
Who
I do
play
not.
Japan?
Yeah, I do not want to play them, bro.
Yeah, that boy Shihai Otani is out of this. He a creative player, dog.
Yeah, so I want to play them in the finals. Not
Mhm.
not right away.
Is USA still in it?
But yeah, they're getting lucky because Italy they lost to Italy yesterday,
Oh, damn, they
and
did.
yeah, it's crazy. And
Is
now,
Italy? Are they even good?
no, yeah, I don't know, and they lost, and
That's trash.
but they Italy's beating Mexico today, so if
Mm,
would it be the other way around, USA would have be out,
they
but
would be out.
yeah,
Mm.
but they beating Mexico, so that's good.
You saying Italy is beating Mexico, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And so that helps out USA.
USA, yep.
Got it.
Hmm.
Yeah, I'm mad, yo. All that movement was happening now.
He
Now,
froze.
bro.
Yeah, now we're stuck and ain't doing nothing. We probably gotta wait till 9 o'clock. Once we get listen, just like this morning, right? Why I don't know if Sean on here. Let's see what happens. Soon as we get off at 9 o'clock, the market gonna start moving again.
So what happened?
Yo, it always happens, bro.
That's right.
Always, bro. Always. That shit was funny this morning, bro. Cause I was thinking to myself, it ain't gonna happen this time. Maybe one time I'm gonna get lucky and it ain't gonna happen.
Mhm.
Bro, as soon as we logged off, I went upstairs, put my sneakers on, walked out the door. By the time I walked out the door, Mike and all y'all was going, they all going crazy, typing like, yes, it's dropping. I was like, you gotta be freaking kidding me. So I look at the chart, I'm like, bruh, no more than 5 minutes after we got off, the market started dropping, dog. By the time I
Yeah.
got to the gym and hit the treadmill, I was like, God damn, bruh. Then soon as I got on the treadmill, Mike like, yeah, it's dropping more. I'm like, God damn, bro. Like,
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Dang.
Larry said market be straight tenderism.
And Mike, why he said Mike is drunk?
Yeah, he said, yeah, market is drunk yesterday. Mhm.
Yes, sir. Hmm.
What we about to do over 9 o'clock, bro?
Yeah, bro. Let's see what
They
happened.
not, 9 o'clock. I think. Can we get a push?
Mm.
or something, bro.
Yeah, I'd like to see. I ain't gonna front. I would like to see a nice little retrace at 9. That would give the 4 hour candle a nice wick.
Yeah. I don't know if uh, we lose this NFP, man. Mid, yeah. Come on, man.
I mean, and Q don't. That's the last. That look. That's the last one
Yeah.
standing, bro.
I mean the dagger for sure.
She
Yeah.
the last one standing. She got the market on her back right now.
It's like okay, so we came up all this move, we gave it all back. What? Went to previous monthly mid, pick above, drop down, retest once, twice,
Hmm.
and drop it.
I got a question
So
for you, Dre. How we doing with the line, the March line,
the March line. Which line?
the joint that you did yesterday when you was like,
Oh, we didn't
you
touch
see,
the mid yet. So we came right here. You see it? We didn't get close to the mid of of February's range,
hmm.
and we selling now. So
I mean, that's 3 rejections right there, right before we
yeah,
got to it. That's looking like a swing, ain't that? That's like a higher time frame swing.
yeah, this is a swing right here. Yeah, it
Hmm.
came up. Whoop. So now we right here at this level.
Oh damn, we break that. It's back to 24,239, huh?
Yes, sir. So next level after this is straight shot here.
Yep. And to take out that low, maybe.
Yeah, that's what I'm watching.
Nice.
Hmm.
Larry said he ended up with 145 points when he wasn't at home. That's when his trail got hit.
Damn, damn.
You know he
Okay,
like them
Larry.
100. You know he like them 100 points.
Yeah, it's like work for him.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So my daughter hit me. She want to play flag football. I'm like, what?
For the
I want to
girls,
play.
your oldest,
Yeah, yeah.
y'all gonna
Cause
do it?
yeah, we sign her up. We're gonna sign her up tonight.
Okay.
So, cause her some of her friends are already playing, and she
Uh
didn't want to join because she didn't know what it was. But now she knows a lot of people. Now she want to join. So I'm like,
huh.
okay, listen. I'll tell you right now. I hate losing, so we ain't losing, right? And like, I take this shit. You're not losing, okay?
Let me find out.
Yeah,
Drake finna be a girls flag football coach.
For real.
bro.
Yelling
Listen,
at everybody.
yeah, I'm gonna be in there for sure. Hmm.
Shauna is in the building. She said the best indicator. Zay touches grass. I'm like, yeah, I'm about to go outside and touch grass. As soon as I say that shit, whoop,
Yeah, word.
never fails.
No, for sure.
Oh, we get a nice little retrace. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Right in the 9 o'clock. Come on. How that trade doing, Quadree? I think we might be. I think you
Bro,
might be good money now, bro. Huh?
it's green.
Yeah.
That's what I was gonna say. It should be. Yeah. Let's go. We pushing. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Mhm.
Let's go. Let's go.
Dang.
They just keep playing around though, like you said, bro. We ain't going nowhere. They need to make a move. I think they're making us wait till 9.
New hour, yep.
Mm-hmm. We got 2 minutes before then.
We winning, bro. Fourth.
Who? DR.
Yeah.
What's the inning?
4-1. Third inning. 4-1.
Okay. Gotcha.
They were talking that. I think I found it. Okay.
We got 1 minute. Come on, man. We actually about to wrap up though. Let's see. Maybe we go see what happens. Let's see what these first 5 minutes look like for 9 o'clock. That's going to delay the move by 5 minutes if we stay on.
100%.
Oh,
shit. You ain't lying. You're not lying about that.
We stay on the extra 5 minutes. That shit going to delay the move by 5 minutes.
Dang. Yo, Quadree, you seen your boy?
Cool. Yeah, 83.
God damn, boy. What's up with that nigga, yo? He went crazy.
Oh, yeah. You talking about Bam?
Bio. Yo. Nah, bro.
Yes, he did, bro.
He went stupid. Golly. Freaking.
First of all, the fact that my man had 36, what was he had 36 free throws, bro.
Yep.
Yeah, nah, that's crazy.
They
43
was
fouls.
on some hacker shit. They was on some hacker shack shit, bro.
Yeah, they were. It absolutely was.
I mean, still was an impressive feat. But I mean, dog, my man was 7 for 25 from the threes. He was like 36 of 43 on free throws, and then he hit 20 field goals. So I ain't gonna front. He was cooking.
I'll say this. I know a lot of people are saying, "Oh, it's not nobody." First of all, I think it's impressive because it's Bam, bro. When I go see Bam play, he averages 19 points a game, bro.
Mm-hmm.
And like, it's something that you don't expect from him.
Correct.
I mean, it's a lot of points, but I know he tired, bro. I would have been tired, bro. At 70, yo. Like, people really getting mad about it. I'm like, bro, he not Kobe. Everybody know he not Kobe. Like, he not saying.
Right.
Dude literally was crying when he left when the game was over, bro, because he.
Yeah.
In history.
Yeah. Right. He said it's literally Wilt Chamberlain, him, then Kobe.
Yeah.
Hella, that's a major company to be in, though.
You have your name in that list, bro. Yeah, we know it ain't, yeah, we ain't saying it was traditional, but
correct. You gotta get a man credit. It was one hell of a basketball night, bro. And my thing is, honestly, it don't matter if it was luck or whatever, but bro, to put up 83 points in a professional game, you gotta have some type of talent, bro. Ain't no, it's you honestly, I don't even think you can't even get lucky doing that.
Nah. Right.
You know what I mean? And then when you look at his stats, I mean, it was impressive. Like I said, the man was like 20, he was 50% on his field goals.
Yep.
I think he was over 80% on his free throws.
Yep.
And I mean, and
Yep.
he is a big man. So the fact that he hit 7 threes, you know he was cooking that night.
That's somebody.
You know what I mean? So
Yeah.
I,
Nah, he went off.
But you know how everybody be, bro.
yeah.
I was
I
surprised.
think they mad because he beat Kobe record.
Yeah. And then
Yeah.
it's like, bro, then it's like, oh, they should have took him out. Boy, let me tell you something. When you playing Madden 2K, bro, you run the score up. You ain't take nobody out. So I take him out in real life.
Right.
Like, bro, just let him look.
Yeah.
But didn't he have like 30 in the first quarter or something like
Yeah,
that?
so he was
Yeah.
30, it was 31-24. He had 31 and they had 24.
That's crazy.
He had more than them in the first quarter, bro.
Let's see. King Russ said they definitely was hating. And then Jay said putting up that many shots, you gotta have peak conditioning. Hell yeah, he played damn near the whole game.
Facts,
Yes,
bro.
sir.
He played almost the whole game. Yeah, he had 31 in the first quarter. Yeah, I know. Okay, that's what 31 in the first. I know he had like 45 going into halftime.
Mhm.
And then I think he was at like 70 by the third quarter. I was like, God dang.
Yeah, he was on fire for sure. They're talking about the kid that did not play defense on him. Like, bro, 100 people play that kid. Ain't nobody scoring 18. Like, come on now, stop.
Right.
And they said, oh, he shot 43 free throws. Y'all motherfuckers was fouling them.
Right.
You ain't fouling them.
Right.
Like,
Right.
hey,
Yep. That's what I said. That's what I'm saying, Larry. He was 50% from the field. So it's not like
you have to make those shots, bro.
you know what I mean? Oh, Ferrari asked if you're I think that's a paper trade you on, right? Quadree, the 40 contracts.
Yeah, that was a paper trade, yeah.
Yeah, no, that was this one was a yeah.
Oh, if you want to know I blew the funded account, bro. I had this I got
But that was the one you said you ain't care about though.
Yeah, so yeah, Dre, bro. Let me tell you about and
What's
it's
up?
kind of what you experienced with Apex, bro. I had ran this shit up, bro. I'm like damn near 12,000 away from my first payout.
Damn.
I said, bro, fuck that, bro. I don't want this account.
Oh yeah, you went over the limit.
Consistency, bro.
Yeah.
That's why I like paying my funded with Top Step.
Yeah.
I don't gotta worry about that, bro. I had that big day. It say I can't take a payout to 14,600 some BS. I'm like, come on, bro. That's 10,000 away.
Yeah.
I ain't about to. I had that account for 40 days, bro. I'm like, bro, I ain't about to be. Let me get off this, bro. Let me just blow this account, bro. Won't be having my business no more.
Which platform was that again?
I mean, they all have it. It was a direct to funded.
Oh, it was a straight to funded joint. Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
Why the fuck? No, I don't want to be on that chart. All right, fellas, let's wrap this up, man. Y'all got anything before we roll? It's 9:00. Gotta get my kids to bed.
For me, just shit. Yeah, it's about to get ugly out here in the streets, man.
Yeah, listen, bro, like be ready to just experience some pain. Simple as that.
Like a good indicator for it, I give you this, guys, before I leave.
You want me to put your chart up? There you go.
Yeah. Let me see. Hold on. This chart.
What's this?
SMH.
Oh.
This chart, we keep you in tune. If this push, if this recover somehow, some way, this gap right here fails, like we just come here and
Man,
keep dropping.
Bro, that is a damn good spot to short from.
Yeah, if this, this is the problem right here, guys.
Bro,
SMA is what's up?
I just was in the short, by the way, and I got that's that BS. My bad.
So SMH is a good indicator of what's like. If this goes up, yeah, we Gucci. But if this buckle down, like I got hello alerts here, 368. We break that, then it's gonna go a lot lower, at least to three right here, 350s. It can even go to the 340s as well. So
Bro, how you feel? I
SMH,
think that, yeah, I want that new year opening gap to get filled. That's 360 to 368. Yes.
yeah, 360 is my number on SMH. So keep watching that. This is more macro stuff, not so much trading wise, but yeah, SMH is a good ETF to follow. Say knows and Quadree knows why.
Yes,
But yeah,
sir.
this is
Just give me
backbone of the U.S. economy right here.
One last gym. One last gym. I was gonna say agriculture.
ooh, yeah, ooh, you
Good.
gave him the sauce on that
Nah,
one,
just
boy.
do what you want with that information. That's all gotta say, bro.
That's a good one. That's a good one right there.
That's how it.
Mm-hmm.
That's a damn good one. All right, I'm gonna add that. Damn, that was a good one, Quadri. Yeah, man. What I will say is we spent about 4 months ranging and balancing, and now you can see it very much so looks like a direction is finna be chosen.
Mm-hmm.
With that being said, because of how long we consolidated, distributed, whatever you want to call it, if this breakdown is confirmed, just be very careful with be not be careful, be very selective of how you plan on buying the dip. Because I do think this pullback will provide opportunities. However, you just need to be very meticulous and very um, selective with how you buy this dip, right? Because while the market will dip, I don't. It's not the end, right? I don't think it's gonna be the end of the world. The market always is. There's never been a crash or a correction the market hasn't recovered from, and that'll be the same story.
Mm-hmm.
So, not to fearmonger people or have people scared. I think the best thing you could do is not predict, but be prepared. So, be prepared for at least a 10, 15, 20% pullback. Just it's math. Run the numbers. Look at the stocks you want. Okay, if this stock pulled back 20, 30%, what's that number? Put it on your chart. Okay, how does it align with the technical information that I know? And then have those orders ready, right? And just know when we get to those price levels, you're not gonna want to buy
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
because it's gonna be scary as hell. If you paying attention to the news or whatever, it's gonna get to that price, and you're gonna be like, nah, I'm gonna wait. Don't wait.
Mm.
Hold your nose and just buy it. And then about 6 months, 9 months later, you're gonna be very happy that you stuck to your plan. So
Wait, Jay, you gotta say what the hell you saying, Jay? 12/31/2026.
he said check the 12/31/2026 expiration. Okay. Spy, QQQ, which one?
Which one are you talking about?
Larry said last summer I had 5 accounts. I ran up and they denied me payout 4 times in a row. I was like, y'all can have it. Oh, he's talking about Apex.
Yes,
Oh, yeah. People don't vote with Apex.
I don't mess with them.
Yeah. But yeah, that's what I'll that's my final words. Prepare, just prepare. Be very, very selective. Um, Make sure you got your list ready, and just know, man, it's not the end of the world.
Yo, the move. By the way, we ain't off, but the move happening.
Right. Is we going back down?
Yeah.
He said SPX 8030. God damn. Okay, let me go write this down. So 12, 31, 26, 80, 30 expiration. Bet. I'm gonna do some homework on that at night. With that being said, good people, we will catch y'all next Tuesday, 7:30. That's our new time, 7:30. I need to actually update. I'm about to update our whole fucking YouTube thumbnail. But 7:30 next Tuesday. Y'all finish the week strong, and we'll catch y'all next week. We out.
Let's go.